Your bathroom may be small, but it can still look like a designer spa. Bright, calm, and incredibly elegant. I'll show you 5 simple tricks that visually double the space and create that quiet luxury look every guest will notice. One of my favorite tricks for small bathrooms, a full-height, frameless mirror. It visually doubles the room, reflects light, and creates an instant wow effect. If possible, let it go from floor to ceiling. It will make your bathroom feel twice as open. I also recommend replacing heavy shower walls with a clear glass partition. Transparency keeps the space light, modern, and calm. And if you can, hide a bit of storage behind the mirror. It keeps visual noise away and makes the design feel polished. Color changes everything. In small bathrooms, I always recommend cool shades: pale blue-gray, misty aqua, or silver grayish. They visually push the walls apart, creating airiness and calm. To keep the room warm and elegant, I balance it with champagne or brushed gold accents. Just a touch is enough for that luxury feel. And remember, the lighter the tone, the more spacious your bathroom feels. If you're enjoying these ideas, that's just half of what I've prepared. The next tips will make your bathroom look truly designer, even without a designer's budget. Let's move to the next one. I always recommend wall-mounted vanities and toilets. They free up the floor and create a clean, continuous line that makes the room appear larger. Add a warm LED strip under the vanity. That gentle floating glow gives a quiet luxury effect and adds depth. Keep the design light, simple shapes, neutral tones, and one small accent like a glass vase. It's minimal, but it feels expensive. Details make all the difference. I recommend large format tiles, 60 by 120 centimeters, even in small bathrooms. Fewer grout lines mean a cleaner, more expensive look. Choose fixtures in soft champagne or brushed gold for a subtle luxury touch. Replace plastic accessories with glass or ceramic. It's a small change that instantly upgrades the entire space. Lighting is the final secret of elegant spaces. Use warm white bulbs, around 3000 Kelvin. They create a spa-like glow and flatter your skin tone. Keep only 2 to 3 decor pieces visible: a candle, a folded towel, a eucalyptus branch. Less clutter means more calm. I often say, a beautiful bathroom isn't about quantity, it's about balance and light. If these ideas inspired you, make sure to subscribe. Remember, luxury isn't about how much you spend, it's about what you notice.